Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ram 3500 dually versus the Ford F350 dually. We'll dive into their capabilities to help you decide which heavy-duty truck is better for your needs. First, let's look at their impressive towing capacities. These trucks are built to handle the heaviest loads, making them essential for serious work or large recreational trailers. Next, we examine payload capacity, crucial for hauling heavy cargo in the bed. The Ram 3500 and Ford F350 both excel here, offering substantial limits. Beyond raw numbers, ride comfort is a key factor for long days. We'll explore how each truck manages to provide a surprisingly smooth and refined experience, even with their heavy-duty foundations. Now, let's talk about what truly drives these beasts, their engines. Both Ram and Ford offer formidable diesel power plants, delivering incredible horsepower and torque for demanding tasks. We'll compare their top-tier diesel options, as well as their capable gasoline V8 alternatives, highlighting the performance differences that could influence your choice. Finally, we consider the overall value, features, and pricing. Both the Ram 3500 and Ford F350 come equipped with modern technology, from large touchscreens to advanced driver assist systems, enhancing both work and daily driving. While starting prices are similar, specific configurations can vary greatly. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.